Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, and good night to everyone watching my channel. Welcome to my channel, Crypto Cracks. My name is Wiki. Every day on this channel, I give you all the news updates and analysis and whatever is going on in the crypto world. Guys, it's been a lovely day. First of all, it's nice in London. Summer has kicked in from the last 3-4 days. I see a lot of happy faces. People are enjoying. I'm trying to enjoy myself. It's just welcome to the summer. And since 3 days or 2 days of the sunshine has come into the UK or London or probably Europe as well, we have sun shining on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been pumping for the last 2 days, exactly as I predicted in the video exactly 2 days ago. If you haven't seen my video, go and look at that video. I highly recommend you to look at that video because it's got so much clues and points which if you have been following at the time, you should be making money within today. It's been 2 days only and there's a huge journey to go. So please watch my previous videos, especially watch my previous Bitcoin video, which is under the Crypto Cracks episode. So you know exactly what I was predicting, and we have been correct so far. And why cannot we be correct in the future? That is exactly my question, is because if I'm correct, and most of the time I have been correct, not because I have a magic ball, it's because of the research, analysis and technicals which I put behind before I give you guys the message. I try to take all the risk myself so that I can minimize the risk taking on your side. So let's jump into the chart so that I can explain to you what's the great news I've been seeing about Bitcoin. And it's been pumping for the last 2 days. It's looking towards the right direction. Looks like we have hit the bottom and we are going towards the up direction. And the charts are exactly saying the same thing. And the charts are exactly saying the same thing which I was saying 2 days ago as well. And whatever I was predicting 2 days ago for today has happened. And whatever I'm going to predict today for the future, I really, really hope, may Lord bless us, that this happens as well. Only the Lord knows what's going to happen, but we can only try to research, analysis, and give you the best outcome scenarios of what's going on. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is what I do as a side for my living, for my hobbies, and I do trading on myself. I've self-taught everything to myself, and everything which I have predicted has 99.9% come true, apart from the Elon Musk tweet, which literally shaked up my little I would say analysis, which was a good sign for me, because I now have learned how to even deal with the manipulation, so I can be predicting the manipulations going forward so that I can keep you tuned in. So let's guys jump into the chart. Before you jump in, I only request you, please give me 1 second, smash the like button. If you have some question, please comment. The more you comment, first of all, and smash, and especially share it on your socials, it's gonna only make the Bitcoin and the crypto noise bigger and better. We want crypto to be legitimized, and I've got some really crazy news right at the end of this video, so please stay tuned to exactly tell you what's going on. Something huge is happening in the crypto world. This is huge news, especially for Europe, and you know Europe has been quite behind in the crypto, so this can just bring Europe in. And imagine what can Europe do and what the money of Europe can do to the Bitcoin market, because right now most of the money in Bitcoin is from China and America, 80% of it in fact. So guys, watch my video till the end, smash, share and like, and thank you for continuously watching it, whoever is watching continuously. And if you haven't, please watch so that you can make money. Let's get into the charts. So here we are guys in the Bitcoin chart as we speak. This is, if you have seen my previous video a day ago on crypto capture, you can clearly see that I drew this line and I was predicting this to be the support and resistance lines, and as you can see, the chart are actually moving within these lines which I have drawn, which means it's clearly showing more like a straight wedge. Now, however, anytime this pattern is formed, there is a highly likely chance that Bitcoin can fall off the wedge as well, or it can go. So this is the breaking point, guys. It's going to stay in these middle, and this is the last, I would say, more like 2 days or less than 2 days to go before it hits the wedge. And I can assure you it's going to stay within these support and resistance line. However, what's going to happen when it goes outside the wedge? So let's quickly have a quick analysis on where I believe the market could go to, both in terms of bear and bullish. So if I take this as a scenario and I move this line here, and you guys can see we are And in my previous videos, I've been telling you guys we are still not out of dark waters yet. This is the reason. So it can incline down, and if it does incline down, it can go actually all the way to $21,000. However, if it goes up from here, then it's coming to a very satisfactory and very realistic target of about $50 to $51,000, which is very realistic. And you have to understand, why am I more bullish to why am I more in the favor of the upwards trend? However, I don't want to keep you in the dark that, hey guys, it's going to go up and up. It can go down, and if it does go down, it's going to fall back to 21, 22, and then it's going to go. I still believe here in the bullish market is where the dip is, and I really think that this has been the dip, mainly of two reasons. As you can see, I have made another wedge, which is following a more long-term pattern from all the way across this year, even from last year times. And as you can see, within this wedge, the movement has been within the support and the resistance lines. Slightly upcline here, again got corrected and was brought down within the zone which I drew. And as you can see, when we had this much amount, about 30% of the wedge or 25% of the wedge left, Bitcoin declined. The only positive which gives me here is we have already crossed that 30%. We are in that zone where anything can happen, and we are still seeing the movements within the wedge. It hasn't declined down, whereas if you see on the bigger wedge, it declined way more before hitting in the corner. So looks like we are going towards this, and we can have a very good movement towards the upside here like this, or if we come to the S, we can always have a movement towards the downside here. However, I am still quite bullish and in the favor of the upside movements as we speak. And as you can see as well, if I zoom in as well, you can see Bitcoin has finally come above the EMA line as well, which is, I think it's the 50 days EMA line. Most of the time we have been below these lines, but as you can see, the charts are now finally coming up on these lines. And guys, it's important that we come on above these lines. These EMA ribbons and these lines are very important. These are the average moving price of Bitcoin. They are calculated from 20 days to 50 days to 200 days. A good one is 50 days or a 200 days one, which I both follow. As you can see, if you zoom in, you cannot see, but if you zoom in, we are now entering that we are touching this line, and hopefully if the candles can go above this line, we will be giving you guys a signal that we are back in the bull market, which I still believe we are heading towards at the moment. So yeah, this is where we are with Bitcoin. And another one as well, this is a 4-hourly chart. Let me quickly show you the daily chart as well. Daily charts, again, in the daily chart, everything has, oops, sorry, let me just quickly go in here. Yes, so everything is staying within my wedges on the daily as well, as you can see. And if you can really go on a more closer level, if we close in, and you can see exactly bang on where I drew the line, it have actually hit that line bang on and resisted down. And again here as well, it has hit the lines bang on and resisted down as well. So you can see the predictions which we are doing is pretty much bang on, and it's all technical. No tweets, no media hype has come out, so that's why you can see the numbers are not lying. They are exactly bang on the research, bang on the technicals, and we can now see a move either towards a 20k Bitcoin or a 50k Bitcoin. Whichever direction will we move is gonna suggest where we are going. Right now, I think more indications are towards the uptrend. The reason why I'm saying that, as you can see, this is the 4-hour, this is a daily chart, and you can see the big green dot at the bottom here, which has just shown. If you can see here, this is the green dot on the daily chart. And if I go on the 4-hour chart as well for Bitcoin, it's actually showing me a nice green dot. As you can see here, it's actually quite green here, so you can't see, but this is a huge green dot here, which is also, according to my indicator, is suggesting that the price is going up and we are at the near of the edge. If there was a red dot here, I would be confirming that yes, we're going to fall down. Because of this green dot, we can see an upwards movement like this, and if it goes up, guys, we have then catch the dip here. This is possibly the dip of Bitcoin for this little mini bear market, and we will be seeing some parabolic movements going forward. Let me quickly also jump into Ethereum. So let me quickly reload as well. So with Ethereum, guys, let me quickly show you where we are. This is my Ethereum chart. And as you can see again, this is my Bitcoin chart again. Let me quickly go to my Ethereum. I was wondering, why does it look so familiar? So if we go to ETH, BTC, I always like to calculate my Ethereum against Bitcoin because that's where everybody should be doing. Bitcoin is calculated against dollars, and I calculate my Ethereum against Bitcoin because all the other cryptocurrencies, they are fighting against Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is the one which is fighting against the fiat currency and the other usual trading markets and the stocks. So again, if you haven't seen my video, and if you have been seeing my video on Ethereum, I would highly recommend you go and see all my previous Ethereum videos because they are really, really crucial. Guys, if you are really interested in making money, go and spend those 10-15 minutes watching those videos. If you don't want to do it, no problem, guys. I could be right now enjoying the sun outside, but I'm making this video just so that I can update you. So only so that you guys can make money. I'm already making money. I've already made my moves. I already bought what I wanted to buy, and whatever I'm buying, I'm suggesting you so that you guys can make money. And if you watch the videos, if I'm spending my time giving you guys 20 minutes, 10 minutes to make videos, I think it's only fair for you to go and watch these videos so that you can benefit yourself. If you watch that video, Ethereum was running about 0.5% of Bitcoin. Now it has gone 2% up. High movement from Ethereum. Now this is basically means that Ethereum is 7% of Bitcoin price, and as the Bitcoin price goes up, Ethereum price will appreciate. I am targeting this to become at least 10% of the Bitcoin price, which is going to be 0.01, and in the going forward, at least 15% of the Bitcoin price. And if just Bitcoin hit 100K, we are looking at a 10K Ethereum. However, I believe that if we can just come out in the next 24 to 36 hours away from this bear market, we will be looking at a way more bigger number on Bitcoin by the end of this bull market. Another key news as well, guys, I wanted to give you is Standard Chartered Bank, which I'm sure a lot of you have heard of. It's quite a big bank in Asia, but it is an international bank. And Standard Chartered Bank is launching its UK-based institutional exchange. This is huge news because this is giving, first of all, Europe a push into the cryptocurrency market. You guys have to realize till today, 80% of the market in crypto investments is through USA and China. Europe has a huge market to capture, and as you can, this is one of my another aspects as well, that look how small and how early doors we are in crypto, that it's right now booming in America and China, mainly because America have the main investors and China have the main buyers, and Europe is still playing a catch-up game. This can be another big move for Europe as well. This is a UK Standard Chartered Bank making and launching its UK-based institutional crypto exchange, which is similarly like a competitor for Binance and Coinbase and other exchanges which you are using. This is a huge news. A big bank opening up an exchange just gives you how much legitimacy cryptocurrency is gonna get and how many more customers are gonna come into. A lot of people don't believe in Binance. A lot of big investors don't believe in Coinbase. They're scared here and there. It's more for the millennials or the newcomers, whereas old classic experienced traders, they are mostly involved in secure investments, and if a bank like Standard Chartered is offering them an exchange, they would be happily jumping in and putting their money into crypto. And again, this European money has not smelled crypto. It's coming in, guys. As soon as it enters the market, it's gonna, I think, even if it 10% enters the market in this bull run, we are looking at parabolic moves of Bitcoin. And I don't even want the whole European market to come into this bull run. I want this to keep becoming organic, slow growth of the European market to come in, because it's going to continuously appreciate the Bitcoin price. The more you hold, the more you will benefit. And again, all the old coins which I've been telling you will benefit from that as well. It also joins the investment banks Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, BNY Mellon, which are already big names who have already jumped into crypto. We are waiting for more bigger banks, HSBC, Barclays, Lloyds, and other banks to come in. If you guys want every other bank and other big institutions to come in, one thing I would like to suggest is please share, like, and comment on this video. Share it on your socials. The more you shout about it, you guys are the adopters, the early adopters of crypto. If you guys can be the one making shouts on these things, we're only gonna grow. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. this quick update on Bitcoin and Ethereum and where we are with the market and a quick snapshot. I'll be coming back with a video soon today on crypto capture, so please come back and stay tuned to watch that. It's going to be a full daily news of whatever is going on into crypto market, from altcoins to Bitcoin and where we are, and we will have more updates on where this chart leads to within the next few hours. So guys, thank you so much. As always, I love you all and look after yourself. Adios.